Are you looking for the best Chinese drones for photography? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese drones for photography on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Potensic ATOM SE Drone. The Potensic ATOM SE single-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone under 249 gram brings a comforting sense of control that makes every flight feel smooth and enjoyable. Its light structure gives you the freedom to carry it anywhere, turning simple outings into exciting opportunities to capture the world from above. As it lifts into the air, it creates a gentle thrill, encouraging you to explore landscapes that often go unnoticed from the ground. People who love creating memories want a device that feels reliable, and this drone builds that trust with steady motion that keeps each scene calm and clear. The 4K view adds emotional depth to the places you care about, allowing the colors, shapes, and surroundings to look rich and lifelike. Whether you are new to flying or already comfortable with aerial creativity, it guides you through the sky with an ease that feels reassuring. Its long-distance capability lets you move across wide fields, open roads, or peaceful lakes without losing connection, giving you space to express your imagination. Every moment with this drone becomes a chance to see life from a fresh angle, turning ordinary moments into meaningful stories. This drone becomes more than flying equipment. It becomes a partner that helps you create beautiful memories to enjoy long after the adventure ends. Number 2. ZLLL 600 Pro Max GPS Drone. The ZLLL 600 Pro Max GPS drone creates a powerful sense of freedom that invites you to see the world from a higher, more emotional viewpoint. Its 8K clarity brings distant landscapes to life, allowing every scene to feel rich, deep, and meaningful. When it rises into the air, it carries an energy that turns simple surroundings into dramatic visual stories, giving you the chance to capture moments that stay unforgettable. People who enjoy creating memories from new angles often look for something dependable, and this drone offers that comfort through smooth balance and thoughtful handling. The 3-axis gimbal helps each movement feel calm, giving your creativity the space to grow without interruption. With its high-definition dual camera working together, the smallest details appear vivid, making every frame feel like a carefully crafted memory. Its 5G Wi-Fi connection adds a sense of closeness as you watch the world unfold from a distance, while the brushless design brings a quiet, steady strength that makes every journey peaceful. The obstacle avoidance support gives reassurance, encouraging you to explore further without hesitation. Each flight with this quadcopter becomes a moment of inspiration, inviting you to turn ordinary scenes into powerful stories shaped by your vision. Number 3. Potensic ATOM 3-axis Drone. The Potensic ATOM 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone under 249 gram brings a sense of calm confidence that makes every flight feel smooth and meaningful. Its balanced movement helps each scene look steady, allowing you to capture moments with a clarity that feels warm and full of life. When it lifts into the sky, it sparks a quiet excitement, inviting you to see familiar places from a fresh and inspiring angle. People who love storytelling through visuals often want a companion that feels dependable, and this drone creates that trust through thoughtful stability and gentle control. The detailed 4K view adds emotional depth to each frame, helping you preserve memories that feel genuine and unforgettable. Whether you are discovering new landscapes or enjoying a peaceful walk, it turns every trip into a chance to create something beautiful. Its long-distance capability encourages exploration, freeing you to follow wide fields, winding roads, or open water without worry. The light design makes it easy to carry anywhere, so inspiration never has to wait. Each moment in the air becomes an opportunity to express your imagination, transforming ordinary scenes into striking aerial stories. This drone becomes a creative partner, helping you capture the world in a way that feels personal, uplifting, and truly your own.